What's going on today, guys? Today we're going to be working on the 1983 C10. We're going to be replacing the door strikers. If you ever own a square body, you know they don't shut that well, and it could be solved with a simple little plastic collar that goes on the door strikers. We're just going to go ahead and replace the entire striker today, so you can see how that's done. Be a real short, quick video, so stick around, like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to get to it. All right, guys, before I pull it off and show you how to replace it, this is a new one with the collar. I've actually replaced the collar. This is from my passenger side. I just took it off so I can kind of show you. There's two ways to do it. You can replace the whole striker, comes brand new, everything like that. Or you can just replace like that plastic collar, which this nut is, the washer is threaded on, so you can just take it apart. Sorry, I'm recording and holding on to it with one hand. So you'll have to get that plastic off. I just buy these at O'Reilly's. There's the part number, come with different sizes. Then you can, obviously you'll have to get it on there. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. It's kind of a tight fit. And you can just replace that plastic collar that way, put your washer back on and run your old striker. But these bolts are pretty cheap, so there ain't no point in not replacing them, honestly. They look better. Not so dinged up like this one. How you'll replace it is you will just need a 3/8 Allen. And there's a washer right here on the back side of the striker. So you can reach in behind your cab corner in the back of the pickup. You'll be on the inside. You'll just put the seat forward. You can reach around, hold that nut while you undo it and tighten it up. So I will now replace the driver's side for y'all, kind of show you how it's done, if you have any questions, and we'll see how it works. So let me get the tripod and everything set up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, guys, sorry this ain't the best camera angle, but basically you just get your 3/8 Allen. You can reach around the back side, grab a hold of that nut. It'll come right apart. They'll sometimes have a spacer washer. I know it doesn't look the best with them being all rusty and dirty. Just throw that back on the new one. Reach around, put your washer back on, or your nut back onto the bolt. Threads should be the same. Sometimes they're just kind of finicky. Tighten it back up. And you should be able to line up like the old washer spot, so it's back in line where it needs to be, and then just tighten it down. That's all it takes to replace a door striker. Get the phone here. Roll my jack stand tripod jack out of the way. That's all it takes. You can kind of see the marks where the latch is hitting the striker. So, much better. And that's all it takes to replace a door striker. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, guys. Catch you on the next one.